Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Proton VPN step by step. First, open your web browser and go to protonvpn.com. On the homepage, you will see the option to download the app. Choose the version for your operating system. It works on Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the instructions on screen. When the installation is done, launch Proton VPN. If you already have a Proton account, log in with your email and password. If not, click on Create Account and follow the steps to sign up. Proton VPN offers both free and paid plans. The free plan gives you access to servers in a few countries, while the paid plan unlocks more servers and faster speeds. After you log in, you will see a simple dashboard. On the left side, there is a list of available countries. Choose one by clicking on it, but this feature is only available in the paid version. To connect, press the Quick Connect button. Proton VPN will automatically connect you to the fastest server. When you are connected, the green status icon will show at the top. You can now browse the internet with your connection encrypted. To disconnect, press the Disconnect button. That is all you need to start using Proton VPN. Thanks for watching.